Once your account is created, you will have two tools to help you discover TimeTonic. The discovery of structuring and basic vocabulary via a quick tour, followed by exercises to help you in the handling of the platform. The discovery will be like on my screen with interactive interfaces. You will discover your account, TimeTonic messaging, calendar. Then you will discover what a workspace is and how to use them. Once your tour is over, you will arrive at your Quick Start workspace. In this startup area, you will find guided exercises to learn the basics of TimeTonic. They are divided into 4 levels, which include exercises of increasing difficulty. I advise you to complete the first 2 levels before you start in your own experience in order to acquire the necessary foundations. This should not take more than 20 minutes. To follow the guide, click on an exercise tile and read the instructions. If you need help, click on the button to see the corresponding tutorial articles. Once the exercise is completed, check the Validate box to go to the next exercise. In this space, you can also find useful links for your start on TimeTonic, as well as give your opinion by clicking on this plus button. All that's left is to wish you a good discovery.